In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on your laptop. If you can't hear any audio from your laptop or speakers, start by opening the Start menu, searching for Settings, and opening it. From the left side, click on System, then select Sound. At the top, under Output, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected. Also check that the volume slider is turned up. Next, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot under Output Devices. Follow the on-screen steps and allow Windows to run automatic diagnostics to detect and fix sound issues. If the problem continues, scroll down to Advanced and click on More Sound Settings. Go to the Playback tab and make sure your speakers are enabled. Right-click your device and select Enable if needed. Also, disable any devices you're not using and make sure your main speakers are set as the default device. Then click Apply and OK. If that still doesn't fix the issue, search for Services from the Start menu and open it. Scroll down to Windows Audio and double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic, then make sure the service is running. If it's stopped, click Start, then apply the changes. You can also right-click it and select Restart. Next, open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs and right-click your speakers and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Then repeat the process by selecting Browse My Computer for drivers and choose an available audio driver. Also, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and right-click your audio device, such as Realtek, and update the driver the same way by selecting a compatible driver like High Definition Audio device. After completing all these steps, check your sound again. And that's it. These methods should help you fix no sound issues on your laptop running Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.